personality development sessions. Okay, today I will go for one very important story for you people, what I experienced yesterday. So this story is going to provide n number of learnings, n number of I mean conclusions for your better life. Okay, like so. But before that, just a small information for you people, the people who are viewing okay this video. Okay, in durgasoftonline.com. Okay, there is a free personality development sessions are available. So if you spend some time, okay, if you have the time, better to listen these videos. durgasoftonline.com courses, you can see there. Are you seeing anywhere personality development classes? Yes. Okay, here you can see personality development classes. One big specialty is to learn these things. Okay, you are not required to pay single paisa. It is completely free. Okay, I told it is completely free. You are not required to pay single paisa for that. Okay, next here course content, almost around 15 videos are there. Definitely almost my age is some 40 to 60 years. Okay, don't ask either 40 or 60. Of course my age is 30 to 60 years. With all my experiences, whatever I faced, whatever good programming practices, what I did in my life, all these things I shared in the form of videos. Okay, I'm the basically trainer for Java, Python, MongoDB, Linux, DevOps, like multiple subjects I handle. But remember, all these subjects are going to be helpful for 2 to 3 years or 5 years in your corporate career. But these videos are going to be very helpful until last minute of your life. That's why better to give very much importance for these videos. Okay, like not only, okay, if you are going to refer, if you feel very happy, then better to refer to your friends. Definitely they are going to feel very happy. Yes, I'm seriously suggesting for you people about these videos, right? Okay, well, now my next important question, what I have to tell, I told, right, today I'm going to tell one story related to personality development. Really these things, the things what I want to share for you, just please listen with more concentration. Okay, so here just yesterday, my family members, my mother, my father, and my mother's sister. Okay, in Telugu we can use the word Peddamma, Pednana. Okay, Peddamma, Pednana, my mother's sister, elder sister, and her husband. Okay, in Telugu we can use the word Peddamma, Pednana. In I don't know, Masi. In Hindi, what is the word? In somewhere I saw Thai Baba, something like. Mausi. Okay, like okay, my mother, elder sister, and her okay husband. Okay, in Telugu we can use my Peddamma, Pedanana, like we are using our word. Okay, Mausi and Mausaji. Yeah, good. So and Nagur sir, myself. So 6 members want to travel, want to visit some dargah. Okay, dargah. Do you know, this is actually Janapadu? Okay, it is the original. Okay, not created story. Janapadu, like in near Miryalagoda in Andhra, there is one famous masjid, dargah is there. Okay, we are planning. Yes, we are planning to visit there. Okay, yesterday night, because my mother very fancy about this one. Okay, my mother has good faith, good belief, like on this dargah. Okay, like yes, we started from Hyderabad at 11. What happened is we require to travel on Vijayawada road, and then at Narketpalli we have to take diversion to the left and so on, to the right. Okay, like we have some plan. So almost after travel some 60 kilometers around, okay, my Innova car, my car is Innova car. There is some problem happened with my car. Okay, there is a problem. So do you know? Almost we are using the car for the last 12 years, and not the Innova, multiple cars anyway, right? For the last 12 years. So break down a car in the middle of the journey. First time happened in my life. Of course, who is driving? Nagur sir is driving. Okay, So even we never experienced, okay, break down the car in the middle and then handle the situation. Okay, we never experienced this type of experience. Okay, it is very, very, very common. Okay, no issues, no issues. Don't worry, nothing happened, no issues. Okay, like so, breakdown means not accident or something like a small issue happened. Okay, in the front tire, okay, what we call some smell and then smoke is coming. Okay, we don't know what is the problem because we are not mechanics. He's just a driver. Okay, Nagur sir can drive the car. He don't know anything about the car well. Okay, if we ask any question related to Java, Nagur sir can explain. If we ask any question related to Python, he can explain. But why smoke is coming? Why smoke is coming? And then why this smell is coming next? Why this problem? Then Nagur sir told Anna, I too don't know. Okay, like then how to handle the situation, this is the thing, because first experience, right? Yes, correct, first experience, right? Okay, like how to face this type of issue, this type of thing. We don't know anything about that, just he can drive. So whatever required place we can travel, because last 12 years onwards we are doing the same. Even if maybe some specialized driver, then automatically you may aware some basic idea, but Nagur sir don't know, myself don't know anything about that. Then what I did is I called, okay, just we kept car beside, and then I called to one of my known driver. Okay, my relative come driver, like there is a person is there. So who he traveled with me for several years, okay, as a driver with my personal car. Then I called, sir, this is happened. What is the problem? What may be the problem? What we have to do next? Like then immediately that person told, okay, so he's my relative at the same time. He's my, okay, just car related things. He's whole and soul at a early stage of my life. Okay, Meravali. Then I made a call. Meral sir, this is the happen. What I have to do, like. Then immediately that person told, sir, it is a very simple problem. Don't worry. It is a very, very simple problem. Brake pads, brake pads, okay, brake pads maybe gone. Okay, brake pads problem, this is very simple problem, common problem, you are not required to worry, like. Okay, perfect. Now what we have to do? Okay, what we have to do, like I asked, then simple, sir, just go further, nearest town. Okay, nearest town, if you can identify some mechanic, local mechanic. Now observe that I don't know anything. Now slowly a person is telling, yes, a solution and what is the problem, like. Then then sir, go a bit further, and maybe nearest town, identify some local mechanic, and he may help you, don't worry at all. Now slowly, without using the brake much, can you please move until next town, like he told. Wow, wonderful. Okay, he told some suggestion. Then immediately I made a call to my friend, okay, my classmate Anil. Arey Anil, this is the thing what happened, what I have to do, like. He's what he told is, Arey, Innova roadside service. Okay, there is a toll free number is there. Just if you can make a call, what they will do is they will come up with the vehicle, and they will hand over your vehicle, and they will send it to, okay, nearest service center. If it is going to be solved within 2 to 3 hours, then after that they are going to hand over. Okay, like he told. Sir, observe, I never know, I don't know about this roadside service for every do you know, for every company, Toyota, Innova roadside service. Next, for any service, I don't know about this one, sir. Okay, like now immediately my friend told this one. Then automatically I made a call to another person, Elia, something like he is also driver. Sir, this is the happen, what I have to do, like. Then this person told, sir, same problem. Okay, slowly you can move, nothing will happen, like this person told. Okay, now another person, Bhima. Just observe that. If I'm facing the problem, just with pleasant mind, what I did is I just contacted four members, right? Then after discussing with these four members just for 15 to 20 minutes over the phone, now I came to know that the problem is brake pads problem. Okay, so if we call Toyota roadside service, I made a call intentionally for them also. Then they told nearest is LB Nagar, Hyderabad only again. We require to come back to 50 kilometers Hyderabad. Okay, like sir, we are going to send to that service center, like she told in the over the customer free customer care telephone, she told, she intimated, okay, like then it is a simple brake pads problem, like then what we did is, if we go back 3 kilometers or 6 kilometers around, so Chautapal will come. If we go back 6 kilometers, then Chautapal will come. If we go front almost 14 kilometers, 14 or 18 kilometers, 18 kilometers, okay, there is one place, next nearest town is going to come. Okay, then I preferred go back 6 kilometers, it is the nearer. Go back 6 kilometers nearer. Next, moreover, go back means we are nearer to Hyderabad. If really we require to come back to Hyderabad, then there is a possibility further, like then slowly 6 kilometers we came back. And then our thought, next we had another vehicle is there. Then I arranged one person named with Rajesh. Okay, Rajesh, can you please take car, okay, take key from my watchman and take the car from, okay, my parking, and then please start and come, like I intimated. But before starting I will intimate, like I told, I arranged one backup car also, my second car is there, like then what happened is, then just observe very very carefully, right? Okay, then after coming 6 kilometers back, then automatically, yes, there is a local mechanic, I saw, sir, can you please I'm facing some problem with the car, like then immediately, sir, brake pads gone, discs also gone, it is cost is almost around 6,000 or 7,000. If you are going to wait 2 hours, then automatically we will fix this problem, like, oh, 2 hours only, right? What is the problem, like then so immediately I made a call to Rajesh. Rajesh, you are not required to come, like, yeah. So 3 hours or 4 hours around I fixed the problem, then happily we continued our journey. Okay, now take very special care about this incident what happened. If this is the thing, if the car there is a problem is coming, what most of the people are going to do? Have you observed, right? Now take very very special care. The first thing, array, started time is not that much good. Okay, today is the bad day, today is the bad day, starting time is not good. Okay, in Telugu we can use the whatever daridrudu ఎదురొచ్చాడురా బాబు ఈ రోజు. Okay, something like we are always going to feel, we are always going to feel some with the negative thoughts and so on. Most of the people are out of out of 100, 60 to 70% people having this type of habit. Okay, well, then really believe me, sir, whenever the car, okay, breakdown or some problem is happen, then the first person who felt very happy is myself. Then I felt very happy. The reason for that, in the last 12 years, we never get the chance, okay, to test if it is breakdown in the middle of the journey, how to handle. We don't know anything. Now this fine Sunday, I'm going to experience this situation. Okay, like yes, tomorrow if my car is going to be breakdown, I never going to face this much problem, because I know almost all the things. Okay, yesterday, then array, if any problem is going to come related to that area, contact 4 or 5 members, then everyone is going to tell some solution, summarize all these solutions, then you can bring a best and next best solution, one or two options. Okay, like yes, observe the approach what I felt, what I used. Okay, in the yesterday's journey. Okay, I mean in this incident, the first thing, how to handle how to handle, yeah, in middle of the journey, in the middle of journey, if a car breakdowns, if car breakdown, or if car stopped or if car breakdowns, something like breakdowns, something like now, am I in the position, okay, to learn already I learned this one with this experience or not? At least may not 100%, at least some 60 or 70% idea now I got. Okay, yes. Okay, like this is the second thing. The second thing is, so roadside Array, in the middle of the journey, somewhere if my car stopped, it is a bigger doubt in my mind how I have to leave that valuable car in the middle of the road. Okay, who is going to take care, who is going to take care, like yes, this type of doubt is there in my mind, but now I'm not having such a type of doubt. Okay, just open the Google Toyota Innova roadside service. Okay, roadside service, roadside service facility will be there. Roadside service facility will be there for every vendor. This type of facility is already there. They are going to take care. Okay, they will bring, they are going to carry your vehicle to the nearest service center. Your vehicle is always safe. Okay, remember, I don't know about this type of thing. Next, so there is one item named with the brake pads. Next, and after that, disc plate in the car wheels. These items are there. Okay, maybe a chance of this type of a problem will come in the future. Okay, I will ask intentionally whenever I will go for the service my car. I will ask, are brake pads, disc plate, everything is clear or not? Okay, is it everything is the clear or not? Definitely I have some technical knowledge also about the car. Have you remembered, right? Have you observed, right? Next, and after that, I never know how much is the price, how much is the price. Next, do you know in the so like multiple learnings, minimum 5 to 6 learnings, whatever I experienced, just because of this breakdown. Are you getting the point? Yes, friends, just a small bad incident for most of the people they are feeling. No, no. Really, with this experience, believe me, sir, personally, I'm telling, yes, minimum 5 to 6 learnings by default, learnings by default, I face. I experience. I got these. There are multiple learnings from this. Okay. Next, if any problem is coming, don't worry, sir. It is going to provide n number of learnings for us. Okay. First, with this type of attitude, now think about the solution at the same time with the learnings. Then you never going to consider a problem as a problem. If a problem is coming, immediately you have to think, oh, several learnings by default are going to come into the picture. Remember a bit very, very carefully about this terminology, right? Are you in the position to understand? Yes, friends. Yeah, for any problem. Now think, now onwards, if a problem is coming, don't think it is a problem. Wow, it is the source of n number of learnings. It is a source of n number of opportunities. If you are going to keep this type of attitude, even in the small problem or big problem, think about solution with the learnings, then definitely it is going to be very helpful for you people, right? Next, moreover, if you are experiencing the problems at the early age, remember that, suppose assume that my age is 35. Okay, my age is 35 years. Assume that's at 35 years, if I experience a problem, then automatically at 35 years, if I experience a problem, assume that there it is helpful for minimum next 30 years around. Yes, whatever learnings I had, it is really helpful for the next 30 years, right? 30 years, those learnings are going to be very, very helpful. But if I face the problem at a 60 years, 60 years, I find some solution. What is the use? Are you getting what is the use? Are next 5 years or around 10 years I will be, but it's not helpful for me for lifetime, right? I mean for the next. So take a bit very, very special care about this type of things you require to take care. If you are facing a problem, okay, what you require to do is really, so it is going to provide a number of learnings for you which are really helpful for the next few years, like you people should aware. Getting the point? Really, it is just one small experience, how many learnings it's providing, sir. So that's why in our life we never going to consider this is the bad thing which is happened. Okay, in the bad thing, in that problem, definitely n number of learnings are there. If you are going to see in that direction, then you never going to consider a problem as the problem, believe me, sir. Okay, like next, I had one more experience, right? Yesterday my father asked, Durga, you told, okay, Durga, you told, I asked, Arey, don't buy the house in the Tenali. Okay, like very recently we bought one house. There are two court cases raised on that house. Yeah, expected raised on that house. Okay, there is two court cases raised on that house. Almost we spend 75 lakhs related to that house. Okay, excellent. Now observe a bit very very carefully about this one. Okay, then my father asked, Durga, so I told, don't do that. No, no, not my father, someone suggested, some of my friends suggested, don't go for that, unnecessary. You know already problems. Why you have to take care? Why you require to take that house only? N number of houses are there. If you have 75 lakhs, better to go for clean white property. Why you are going for this property like that? Okay, I told, there are some people may aware this type of thing in regular sessions. Somewhere I told this one. Yeah. Now observe that two court cases got raised. If you buy house, okay, yes, if you buy house, you will get only house. If you bought this house, in addition to house, n number of learnings by default you are going to get. Remember this one, n number of learnings by default I will get. One reason, array, how to file a case, not a number of problems, n number of learnings. Okay, good, your terminology, n number of problems. If I now I want to use the word learnings, n number of learnings by default you are going to get, sir. So first time I came to know, if we have promissory note, pro note, okay, and a check. Have you ever, if you are borrowing the money from somewhere, then they may ask pro note, and some people may ask check also, correct, right? Oh, respond, correct, right? Pro note and check, most of the times if I require to borrow some money, pro note means promissory note. Vidya, promissory note, something like a promissory note is there. Pro note is called short, promissory note. Okay, like a promissory note and check. Yeah, we have to give, right, if you want to borrow the money. Sir, first, if we are giving the promissory note, by using that promissory note, they will go for the court on our property. Remember this one. Okay, pro note meant for property. They will go directly on the court on this person. This person has to give the money. This person is the owner of so and so property. Government court, can you please hand over this property? Go for auction and provide for money. Okay, like any person can go for the court with your pro note. Next, if check is there, they will go for, this person gave the check, but he didn't provide the money. That's why, can you please ask him? Okay, like so the police, there may be a chance of, okay, 3 months or 6 months or 1 year or 10 years jail present punishment will be there. Okay, remember, check meant for check. By using check we can go on a person, but by using pro note we can go on the property, something like. Yeah, what a beautiful learning. I don't know earlier what is the difference between promissory note and check. Array, why the people who are giving the money, why they are always expecting promissory note and check, I don't know. Next, what is so if it is the property related, it is a civil case. If it is the criminal, it is the criminal case. Like in the lawyers, civil lawyer is there, criminal lawyer is there, something like I don't know all this terminology. Okay, like if I count like this, minimum 100 learnings I did with this property. Yeah, maybe may not immediately, I may not get this house, but within 3 months or 4 months or 6 months or 1 year, definitely I will get this house. Okay, don't worry at all. I have a number of ways are there, to do this. But really, that 1 year or 6 months or 3 months, n number of learnings by default we are going to get. Really, I'm feeling very happy, very very happy to buy this type of house. Yeah, have you observed, right? Now take very special care about this one. Okay, if you buy house, you will get only house. If you buy this house, okay, I thought my way of thinking, if I buy this house, okay, house plus hundreds of learnings by default we are going to get. Okay, nothing, sir. In the worst case, what will happen? Do you know? With all these learnings, in the worst case, what happen? We may require to pay another 15 to 20 lakhs extra. We may require to pay another 15 to 20 lakhs extra. If you are ready for such a type of terminology, then n number of learnings by default we are going to get. Yeah, getting right. So why I'm telling all these things? If we bought we bought an house, on that house, if there are some legal issues are coming, then automatically most of the people's mindset is always, they know, array unnecessary we bought this house, we don't know about these legal cases, or otherwise, so that that the owner, she did a big cheating with us, something like so you are always, your body, your thoughts, your mind always filled with the negative energy. Better to think in this direction, then automatically you are in the position to challenge. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes. The way what you have to think, the way what you have to look, if you change your way of thinking, if you change your, if you change your way of thinking, way of handling, then automatically what will happen is you can do any kind of things in your life. Have you observed, right? Clear for you people? Okay. Yeah. Next, this is what I'm sure, sir. Array, with a small car incident, almost around 6 to 7 learnings I did. 6 to 7 learnings I did. So with this court case of almost 1 year, so we may require to pay 15 to 20 lakhs extra. With that, how many learnings by default will be there? Yeah, friends. How many learnings by default will be there with us? Yeah, observe carefully, right? Yeah. Next, I told one time I told this example also in our regular sessions. Yeah, corona. Okay, COVID. It played the game like anything for several families. Correct, right? It play the games like anything for several families. Several families affected like anything. My company not in a position to pay the salary. Okay, so not having the work. My situation is the too worst. N number. Your surrounding out of 100. If you touch minimum 90% of the people are always going to tell, sir, this creates a big impact in my life. My life is God, I troubled like anything with this corona. Yes, how many people are going to tell from our session? Can you please? Yeah. Respond. How many people got affected with this corona? Why or no? Just yes or no. Can you please, sir? I won't mind anything. Yes or no. Are you affected with this corona situation or not? I mean, you got corona? No. I'm not asking. Your financial status, your job status, financial, your family. Okay, like yeah. Yes. Okay. Please take a bit very special care. One person, I'm not spell out his name. I lost my job because of corona. Okay. I lost my job because of corona. Okay. Like, so some people are telling, yeah. So please think a bit very carefully, sir. Because of this corona, all my financial problems gone. All my financial problems gone. Okay. Now do you know my earnings? Because of this corona doubled. My earnings got doubled. Okay, all my financial problems gone. My earnings got doubled because of this corona. Okay, if you can ask Elon Musk, that person is going to tell, yes, in corona time only I became number one richest person in the world. Number one richest person in the world. Okay, now maybe he lost it. After some time maybe he will come again. Chaitanya, don't worry at all. Okay, reaching to that position is very important. Someday he will come back again. Okay, he know how to become number one. Okay, like even So in the what we call in the magics of numbers, number magics, he may come to second or third. Again, it may come because he know already reached that position. He know how to reach that. Have you observed, right? Okay, that's what. Yeah. N number of learnings by default will be there. I mean, n number of benefits. So by default, we are going to get from the COVID. Yes. So general learnings, sir. Forget about these financial, all these things. General learnings. Everyone got, sir, habit of okay healthcare, habit of healthcare. Everyone got habit of health care, washing the hands frequently, this type of this this type. Next, food for immunity, food for immunity. Everyone got knowledge. Have you observed, right? Next, spending more time with the family, more time with the family, with the family, spending more time with the family, this is the most valuable, very important, sir. Spending more time with the family. Next, do you know, so even you have crores of money, even you have crores of money, if corona will come, if corona like anything will come, anything will come, then there is nothing. Crores of money, if even you have crores of money, even you have crores of money, crores of money, if corona such a type of thing, anything is come, there is no use of that money. Remember this one, sir. There are several people who are the richest persons, whose position is too good, those persons only affected. Now, like earlier, I have strong feeling that, oh, we are in the technology world. For any type of problem, in the seconds of solution, scientists are going to identify solutions. Like I have strong feeling. Okay, like now my feeling by default gone. Scientists, scientists are scientist square also. They can't do anything. Okay, if there are some scenarios will be there beyond our limit also. No one is going to do. We require to take very much care. Next, and after that, the value of money. N number of people are getting, yes, in this corona time. The value of the money. N number of people are experienced. Okay, the value of the value of people. N number of people. N number of people experienced during this time. Okay, so even very close members also, if something happened to the with corona, some happen, no one is going to provide support. Who is the real helping person, who is just acting, all these we can aware. Okay, have you observed, right? Are you in the position to understand? So think in different way. So anything is always going to provide n number of learnings for us. Learnings won't come at free of cost. We paid something for that learning, then only you will get. Okay, whatever learnings you are getting, helpful for our lifetime. Remember a bit very carefully about this one. Someone told, someone told, Array, to know these court issues, all these things, is it required to pay 15 to 20 lakhs extra? Is it really that much worthy? Sometimes maybe worthy, sometimes maybe worthy. If you are going to pay some 20,000 30,000 to learn a Python, how much care you are going to take? If you are going to pay 200 300 for the Python course, how much care you are going to take? Definitely, whether you are taking care or not at 200 300, more money you are going to spend, more concentration definitely you people are going to do. Human psychology. Human psychology. Unforgettable experiences in our life, unforgettable learnings in our life, costly learnings in our life sometimes. Okay, costly learnings sometimes. Remember this one. Okay, so take very special care. Anything is happening is always good for us, because in anything n number of learnings by default will be there, which are going to be helpful for throughout our life. Getting the point? So better to think in that direction. If something happened, okay, if something happened, don't worry, sir. contact some 4 or 5 members related to that. Sir, this is the problem I'm facing. Can you please suggest? Can you please suggest what may be the solution? Like if you are going to discuss 4 to 5 members, discuss with 4 to 5 members, then they are going to come up with then everyone is going to share their experience. Then the best solution by default you are going to get. Yes, with the solution, learnings also by default you are going to get. At the end of the day, after solving that problem, yes, because of this process, what learnings I did, what extra points I aware, just list out, then what points you people are going to get, by default you are going to get. By default you will come to know. Clear for you people? Are you in the position to get clearly? Okay. Next I have one more small story I have to tell. Small story I have to tell. All these things, my observations in my life. Okay, what I'm learning. Just I want to share with you people, right? One small story somewhere I studied. The story which is impacted, which creates a big impact in my mind. This is a small simple story, sir. Can I tell? Can I tell? Some people may aware this story, but definitely it created a big impact in my life. It created a big impact in my mind, in my thoughts. Okay, let me tell a small story, sir. There was a king is there. Okay, I told maybe in the last sessions also I may told, but anyway some people are already aware. Well and good, just have a look once. Reminding such a type of beautiful story is always recommended. There was a king is there, sir. Kingdom. Once upon a time there was a king. Like at our childhood somewhere you may learn this type of things, right? King and kingdom, like. So this king doing some activity in his what we call land or something, like in his what we call so he's doing some small activity with a scissor. Okay, like in the land he's cutting some trees, garden he's cutting some trees, like he's doing something. What happened is, what happened is, yeah, good Chaitanya, correct. So what happened is, so his finger got cutted. The scissor, so because of wrong use of scissor, his finger got cutted. Knife or scissor, something like his finger got cutted. So bleeding is happened very very huge. Okay, well, if the king faces this type of problem, then automatically all the people are going to get surprised in the kingdom, correct, right? It's a big incident. It's a big incident in the king, in that kingdom, or even near kingdoms also. Are so and so king, something happened, like. Do you have such type of thing, right? Oi, respond. If you are getting favor, no one is, your family members may aware. If CM is getting the favor, or otherwise PM is getting the favor, there is a big story, big specialty, big event, that is. Okay, big event, like everyone knows it is breaking news or something, like it's a breaking news. Then all his followers, next nearest the kingdoms, okay, neighbor kingdoms, kings, everyone came, and they are showing something like sympathy on this king. Arey, what happened, man? How it is happened? Something like do you know how it is happened? Okay, like how you have to take a bit special care, but anyway, don't worry, something like everyone is showing sympathy, approach the king and showing the sympathy. Okay, take care, nothing will happen, we are there with you. Okay, something like dot. Okay, like. Then automatically, yes, minister of the same kingdom, he came to visit the king. He came to know that king, sir, finger got cutted because of because, like. Then immediately minister also came. Okay, but king expected a big sympathy from the minister, because minister is follower only, right? He's expected a big sympathy from the minister. Then automatically in Telugu we can use the word mantri, Razu, like. So this minister told, listen very carefully. What is the response? Anyone aware this story? Most of the people aware. It is a very popular story only. Anyone aware? Uh, anyone aware? Okay. So what the minister told? What the minister told? Anyone aware? Yes or no? Please respond. Uh, okay. Yes or no? Okay, like what happened is, this minister told, Ray king, why you have to worry that much? Anything happened, If anything happen in our life, anything happen in our life is always good, is always good for us, is always good for us. Okay, why you have to worry that much? Why you require to worry that much? It's always good for us. Don't worry much, don't worry much. Okay, so relax and then continue your regular activities, so you don't think about this one. It's always good for you, it's always good for us. Anything happen is always in our life, is always good for us. Okay, like he told. Then what is the feeling of king? What is the feeling of this king? King with this word from the minister. Yeah, the king got angry like anything. Are, you told anything happen in our life is always good as. It means my finger got cutted. Is it good for me? What bloody thoughts you have? Like so, king sir keep all these feelings in his soul. Do you know, in his mind he didn't express. Okay, thank you for your suggestion. Can you please go? Like he told to the minister. Then the minister came. Okay, king already felt very angry on this minister. King, someday I will get a time, then I will give left and right to you. Like a king thought that, the king thought that, then minister, can you please go? Your sympathy is enough, like he told. Then, okay, so after some time, these people, king, minister, okay, and the remaining soldiers, king, minister, remaining soldiers, they went for remaining soldiers or followers, they went for hunting. Okay, observe very carefully, sir. King, minister, so king, minister, and the remaining soldiers, followers are there. Okay, like they went for the jungle for hunting, sir. Jungle, they went to the jungle for hunting. Do you know, right? Kings usually are going to do this type of thing. Correct, right? Kings will go for hunting. Okay, like so. What happened is, what happened is, so they in the jungle. So king and a minister is one side, because okay, they something like all the followers went other side. Okay, they missed the followers. King and a minister are one side, are one side. The followers are another side by mistake. So these two members missed the followers. Only these two members are alone in the jungle. Okay, so what happened? Are you understanding my butler English? Well, better to don't concentrate on okay, my English or something, like better to concentrate on the theme what I'm going to explain. Clear, right? Are you getting the point? Are so followers, some on other way. Okay, king and minister on one way. Okay, they missed the followers because it's a big jungle. Like so, these people keep on going on the jungle. At certain point, they felt they required water, thirsty. Okay, they required water. Okay, like then they are searching for the water. Then automatically they saw some well, some well. They saw some well. Okay, like but the problem there with that well is, do you know? Okay, you have to you it is very deep. It is there in that very deep ground. Okay, do you know, if you go inside, then only you will get the water. Luckily there is a rope is also there. Then immediately minister told king, I will provide support for you with this. By using this rope, can you please enter into the well and drink the water, and please come out, I will provide support. After taking the water, can you please help me, so that I will go and I will drink the water. Like so minister told. Then automatically king accepted. Okay, then minister helped the king to enter into the well. Yes, he drank the water, and then king came out. Okay, with the support or with the help of this minister helped king for doing all. Now king is required to help the minister. Correct, right? A bit lengthy story, but matter of another 2 minutes or 3 minutes. King is required to help the minister. Okay, now the minister, so with the help of rope, okay, minister entered into the well. Now minister drank the water, and then minister has to come out. To come out, who is the required to provide support? Who is required to provide support to the minister? King has to provide support. What the king did is, okay, immediately king, he already had a very bad opinion on this minister. He's already waiting for the time. Now the king decided, yeah, the time came. The time came to punish this person. There, that rope he thrown into the well, into the well. He's not helping. He throw that rope into the well. Minister struck in the well only. Okay, he told, right, that day my finger got cutted. What you told, okay, anything is happening is always good for us. Okay, like yeah, now the time, correct time came. Enjoy, like the king left the minister in the well only, and then slowly king alone, going in the jungle. Okay, king alone. Okay, traveling in the jungle alone. Have you observed up to this any doubt in the story? Up to this any doubt in the story? The next remaining just a few minutes. Okay, like then while king going on alone in the jungle, what happened here? Tribals are man eaters. Okay, like you may heard in the history. Maybe in reality these people are there or not, I don't know. Sir, man eaters. Okay, they found this king. Okay, immediately they catch this king. Okay, so they don't know, because they are not having any sense of they are not having any sense of, this is the king, we should not eat this person, like no such type of formal. King is for the, not for the tribals or not for the man eaters, like immediately they took this king, and as per their what we call their habit is, they have to do some special puja for any person who is going to do bali means who is going to kill. Okay, some special puja, their head has to come. He is responsible to do some special puja for this person, and once puja got completed, then they will kill this person and then they will eat. Okay, now what they did is, okay, so king is in front of their goddess. Okay, now their yes, this tribals or man eaters person head came to do the puja. He identified his total body. Okay, somewhere king finger got cutted. Okay, somewhere king finger got cutted, right? King finger cutted. Then immediately he identified the cut on his finger, king's finger. Then immediately that tribal's head told, Array, he is not eligible for puja, because okay, his finger cutted means so already another goddess tasted this person. So that's why we can't keep this person for our goddess. Okay, leave this person, like. Are you getting my so point, right? Then immediately the king realized that, Arey, that a day minister told, anything is happening is always good for us. Because of this finger cut only, these people are leaving me. By mistake, if this finger cut is not happened, then automatically they may kill. They may kill. Okay, luckily I got saved because of this finger cut. Something like, yes, the king felt very happy, and he's remembering the minister's words. Getting the point? So finger cutting is also good or not? Is good or not? Yeah, that day is some day. It is really helpful for his king. Otherwise, this king will be gone. Okay, like then he remembered the minister words. Array, some bigger mistake I did. I should not leave that minister in the middle of the jungle, in that deep well. Okay, like he felt. Then he is searching for the well. He came back and he searching for the well. He identified that. He asked, is the minister is there inside? Yeah, still minister is there, because who is going to provide support in that middle of the jungle? Okay, is there still in the well only. Then immediately king helped minister. Can you please come out? Like king helped the minister. Now the minister also came out from the well. Then the king asked, minister, please forgive me. I should not do like this. I should not do like this. Please forgive me. Okay, because I did some wrong thing. I left you in the middle of the forest in the well. Sorry, don't mind. Like he is telling his forgiveness, forgive. Can you please forgive me? Like he's asking, he's requesting the minister. Then immediately, minister's word is yes. Again, minister is telling king, don't worry, don't worry. Anything is happening is always good for us. Anything happen is always good for us. Okay, don't worry much. Like then immediately king again felt very angry. Array, stupid! I left you in the middle of the jungle. Okay, in the deep well. Now you are feeling that anything happen is always like you won't change your mindset. Like what is good for you living in the middle of the forest? Like king felt very angry and he asked again the minister. Then the minister told a small minister told only one thing. King, that time if you help me to come out, both are are going in the jungle, then the tribals or man eaters, they catch both. Okay, if you are not eligible for puja, then who is the next person? Myself only. So by this time I may by this time I may die. You saved my life by living here only. Okay, like the minister told. Yeah, are you getting the point? Then the king realized, "Arey, really, right? If I'm not eligible, then obviously he the next person. So who is going to be killed? Who is going to be killed? He the next person. Ah, correct. Then the king realized that and he accepted anything happened in our life is always good for us. We are not required to worry. In our life, only learnings will be there, not the bad things. Getting? Are you in the position to understand? Yes, friends. Okay. So anything is happened is always good for us. Okay. Tire puncture. Okay. Or otherwise, your car breakdown in the middle of the journey. Okay. Unpurchased house legal cases. Next, if the corona is going to come, any XYZ problem in our life, it is going to bring n number of opportunities, n number of solutions. Okay. Like, so that's why don't think in negative way. Don't fill your body with negative energy. Always be positive. Always think positive side of the coin. Okay, like so what learnings we are going to get? Of course, for every problem there is a solution is always there, sir. There is a solution is always there. Remember this one. For any problem there is a solution is always there. Okay, like then yesterday because of this car break our journey got delayed. Then we went to Dargah at 8:30 p.m. Then by that time Dargah got closed. Okay, by that time Dargah got closed. Another problem. Another problem. What we did is just what we did is okay, Dargah got closed. What we did is just kept the car beside and then just think 2 minutes. Then near Dargah, coconut sellers, all these people are there. Just I had a content. Are we are coming from long, almost from Hyderabad 200 kilometers we traveled, but now it is closed. What is the solution for that? I asked 3 to 4 members. I asked 3 to 4 members. There, sir, this the person who is going to manage this Dargah is just a beside only. We will, if you are going to request, that person is going to open and okay, you will get the chance to visit, chance to see. Like then, good idea, good idea. Can you please? Why don't you try like? Then immediately the person who told, sir, please wait. I will bring that person. Like that person, sir came. Sir, we came from very far. Can you please provide some support or help? Like sir, don't mind, don't worry. Like he opened the dargah, and then so my mother felt very happy by saying, getting the point? Observe the terminology. If so, for anything, sir, solution is always there. Solution is always there. With present mind at 9 o'clock, we came back. Almost we spent 30 minutes or 1 hour. Yes, in that dargah. Okay, we came back. We came back at night 30. We started from there. 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. We started there. Okay, like so. Always think for opportunities. Think for solutions. Okay, think for learnings. Don't think for negative things and so on. Negative. So if your thinking is always in negative way, array, this problem is coming only for me, I am the only person who is facing these many problems, every problem is always coming to me only. If you are thinking like that, you are always inviting the problems only. Are you getting right? Okay. Huh? Always bad things, you are inviting bad things, you are welcoming bad things. Arey, if anything is happen is always good for me, a number of learnings, I'm ready to face any type of problem in my life. If you are really with this type of attitude, the problems won't come to you. The problem will get fear. Okay, because array, even this problem is coming, this person unnecessary is getting new learnings, why I have to give this opportunity, I will go to some other person, he's going to struggle like anything, the problems also won't come to such a type of persons. The coming problems also will run far if you have such a type of habit. Remember that. Please be with positive energy, with pleasant mind, with happiness mode, with the learning mode. Then automatically your lifestyle by default is going to be changed. Remember a bit carefully. Getting the point? Are you? So can you please just type once? Anything happened in our life, anything happened in our life is always good for us. Is always good for us. Remember that. If any problem is going to come, is always good for us, because that problem won't come alone. That problem won't come alone. That problem is going to bring a number of opportunities. That problem is going to bring a number of solutions, a number of learnings. That's why please take a bit very special care. Beautiful statement. My personal experience I'm sharing with you people, right? Next, moreover, I want to give the finishing touch with a small point. Please take a bit special care. Just one day before, 1 or 2 days before. Okay, in the somewhere in the channel, in the TV channel, there is one movie I saw. Okay, my mother and father both are there with me currently. I mean, my father is seeing some movie in the YouTube. Okay, in the YouTube.com, there is a Telugu movie. Just I want to share with you people. Telugu movie. Okay, that movie, Surigadu, like in Telugu, sir. So in Telugu movie, okay, in Telugu movie, okay, like this is the movie, like, yeah. I saw this movie. I saw this movie, sir. Okay, have you observed really? Few minutes, just 5 to 10 minutes, I saw this movie with good learnings is there. Okay, like how many members you are seeing in this? Do you know? I saw this movie for 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Here, just observe very carefully, sir. How many images you are seeing? Here, just observe. This person and this person. Like, now, can you please see? Can you please see all these people? Can you please see all these people? Okay, like, sir, do you know? First person, can you please identify? 1 minute. 1 minute. This person is the Dasari. Yeah, how I can. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, this person is the director of this movie. He the main hero role he played. Okay, like, this person is just maybe I don't know his character, maybe some supporting person in that movie. Okay, this person is okay, just a judge. He the producer of this movie. Okay, Dr. D. Ramanaidu. Okay, you people may aware Telugu Guinness Book holder, because he did more number in multiple languages. He is the producer. He the Guinness Book holder. Okay, this person is also is the too good person, not good, too what we call familiar person, the Sanar, and he did the direction for several movies in Telugu. Okay, this person is also something like a hero role and supporting character role, like, okay, well, next, here also, in the old generation. Okay, like, she's once upon a time heroine. Okay, like, so in this movie, so he the son and both are parents. Okay, named with Sujata. Like how many members you are seeing on the screen? Almost, here there is a new this member also. Here there is one, a person with the specs. This person is also there. Yeah. Now Gollapudi, like, now my question is why I'm sharing this one is, okay, in this movie, in this movie, just a 10 minutes I saw. In that 10 minutes, whoever there, almost by this time, all these members already died except one or two members. Hero was there luckily. So this person Suresh is there, this person died already, this person died already, this judge already died, this like almost this mother already died, father already died, judge already died, next that supporting character with the spats already died, like do you know. Then I saw when this movie was released, like in 1992 this movie was released. Now 2021, how many years? How many years? How many years? Just around 30 years, correct time? Around 30 years, around 30 years. 30 years before, 30 years before, several main characters including director, producer, next heroine or hero, something like all these people were there. They are the two good position, two great person in the society, these people. Okay, two great VIPs, VVIPs. Okay, very very important persons in the society. But just 30 years completed, majority of the people died already, majority of the people died from this movie, really. Then then the people who are listening, the people who are listening this video, maybe after another 30 years or 40 years or 50 years, we will be gone. We will be gone because we never be forever on this earth. Yeah, believe me, we never be forever on this earth. Our life is very small, very very chota life. In this small life, we have to enjoy every minute, every day. What God is providing is always a great day for us. Okay, we require to enjoy, we require to be happiness, we require to be very happiness, our body with the full happiness, our body with full joy. Okay, remember, with pleasant mind. The people are always in this small span of life. Some people are getting BP, some people are getting sugar, some people are getting thyroid because of these negative thoughts only. Remember that. Another after 30 or 40 years or 50 years, you won't be on this earth. Why you have to worry that much, man? Getting the thing. So think about that. Yeah, I saw this movie. Really, I felt, array. I told to my mother, almost I saw 5 to 6 characters. All these 5 to 6 characters already gone. Already gone. Okay, like already gone. Okay, when this movie got released, like 1992, array, 30 years just a span. How many members gone? Getting the point? My intention of telling this one is our life is very small, man. In this small life, angry, BP, sugar, tension, pressure, these kind of things. You are filled with your body with all these things, your thought with all these things. Nothing will happen. Getting right? So you have to fill your body. You have to fill with your mind, a good health, happiness, pleasant mind, forgiveness. These kind of things are very important. So don't fill your body with angry, revenge, these kind of things. So don't. It's a small chota life is there. Enjoy every minute of life. Enjoy small events also. Celebrate small things also. Celebrate in your life. Getting the point? Okay. Forgiveness. Okay. Forgiveness. Enjoy. Okay. Next and after that, happiness, enjoy, forgiveness, happiness. These kind of things. Okay. Take it easy. Take it easy. Next, helping nature. Fill your body with the positive thoughts. Okay, like positive thoughts, like thoughts like these are next, smile. Okay, thankfulness. Okay, like gratitude, like these type of things, better to fill your body. Okay. Getting the things, always angry. Next and after that, do you know, always angry, revenge kind of thing. I want to go for revenge, shouting. Okay, shouting. Next and after that, sad, crying. Okay, arrogant, correct, arrogant, blaming, blaming, negative thoughts. Okay, jealousy, yeah, correct. Jealousy, yeah, jealousy. Okay, what is that? Gealvoes. Okay, anyway, just my. I hope you can understand. This word is also very important, sir. I'm seeing really okay. This word majority of the times frustration. Okay, first frustration. Okay, like why you have these kind of things are necessary. Okay, your life is after 30 years or 40 years, you won't be on the earth. Uh, okay, getting the point? No, Viraj, no, just his character name is Suri. That's why the name of the movie is the Suri Gadu. His character name in the movie is the Suri. That is, it is not nowhere related to okay any special meaning. Getting right? Okay, so better celebrate forgiveness, enjoy happiness, take it easy. Okay, next, helping nature, positive thoughts, smile, thankfulness, gratitude. Wow, wonderful words are there, man. Fill your day with these things. Okay, why you have to fill your day with these things? Do you know what is the result of these things is life? Do you know what we call fulfillness? Your day is going to be fulfilled with these things. If you are going to fill with these things, what is the result of this one? BP, sugar, heart attack, okay, paralysis. Paralysis, thyroid, okay, thyroid, okay, like thyroid cancer, these kind of things will come in the picture. Okay, always stress, hypertension, corona also sometimes, maybe don't worry, because I told, right, the persons who are always with negative energy, they are always inviting the problems. Okay, the people who are with these, if anything is coming, if any problem want to come, that problem will go, it won't come. The problems will move a bit far, because this person is not very much about the problems. That's why I have to attack this person. There is no impact of this problem, but this person is always react very immediately for the problems. Then compulsory we have to more number of problems we have to show for this type of people only. uh, clear, right? Any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, fill your day with the thankfulness, a smile, positive thoughts, helping nature, happiness. Okay, like celebrate small things also. Okay, small things also. If today is your mother's birthday, celebrate happiness. Getting, yes, give a small gift for your kid, give a small gift for your colleague. Yes, really these type of things are real happiness, friends. Okay, for wife, yeah, why not? Why not? Without my wife, I won't be man. Use this word for your wife. Okay, your wife is there only for you. Okay, your wife, God created wife. So this person only for you. Something like if you are using this type of terminology for your wife, then how much he is going to feel? Yeah? Yeah? Next, appreciation. If you are getting the chance to appreciate someone, don't miss that opportunity. Don't miss that opportunity. Appreciation. Okay. Opposite word to the blaming. Yes, appreciation, like these things are going to help a fel. Better to remove these things from your dictionary, friends. Yeah. You can enjoy whatever you are going to do. You are always going to succeed in your life. Pleasant mind, if you start something, definitely it's going to succeed. With the angry mind, with the revenge mind, or crying bad mind, if you are going to start, definitely it's going to fail. Do you know, right? Hmm? Okay, thank you. So good thing. Okay, whatever your feelings about this video, okay, so just keep in the comments. A bit lengthy video, but good programming practice for your last minute of your life. That's why obviously you have to bear. Next, if you feel very happy, better to share this one with your friends, with your friends, and whatever you are feeling happy or unhappy, so better to keep in the comments part, so that okay, helpful in my next session somewhere I will correct these things. Okay, thank you. So meet soon in the next video. First 10 minutes, leave, forget about that problem. You have to thanks, you have to dance and thank to God to create such a type of big opportunity for us. Okay, to learn a number of new things. Okay, yeah. So next, if suppose in your house today, okay, just give a small gift to the person who is to the person who is neglecting you. Are you getting in your office or otherwise in your house? Can you please give me a small gift today? Start with a gift. Yes, for your kid or for your husband or for your wife or for your girlfriend. Give you a small gift. How much positive energy you are going to get? Better to give you a gift, Chaitanya. Gifting. Okay, right. Thanks for everyone. It's a gift. This video is the gifted for you, I'm sure. Hmm?